Hey there friends, we're checking out the Machenike M7 PRO Gaming mouse and doing a little trial run hunt on here. It looks pretty sweet, has some nice features. It can be wired or wireless. Features 2.4 gigahertz wireless dual mode connectivity. It's got a supercar exterior design, symmetrical form for superior handling, and mechanical micro switches provide crisp tactical feedback. So pretty sweet mouse, my friends. Looks pretty cool as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.